Hi everyone, welcome to week 23 of Monday Motif series. We are going to see a easy Clovor motif today. For this we are going to use a magic ring, chain stitches and double crochets. So first we'll be making the magic ring. So I'm going to consider this cluster as my first cluster. So we'll be making 2 chain stitches and 2 double crochets into the magic ring. So once this is done, again we should do 2 chain stitches and connect this to the magic ring using a slip knot. So now our first cluster is formed. Now we are going to repeat this process for another 3 times. So again make 2 chain stitches, two double crochets, 2 chain and connect this using a slip stitch. So now we got 2 clusters. Now we are making the final cluster. Now we formed the 4 clusters and you shall just pull this tail end. So now you got the clover leaf. Now if you want to stick it to some bag charm or something, you can make as much as chain stitches you want. So I have done 5 chain stitches so that I can make this as a hanging. To close this, you can just pull this center part. So just hold on to the center and pull this tail end. So now you've got this faux clover. Now you can cut this excess part. And make a knot here. To hide this, you can just simply pull it in other loops. So you can use you can do this using a crochet needle or just a stitching needle will also be fine. So like this, you can hide it in how many places ever you want, and you can just cut the excess. So now your faux clover is ready. This is how it looks. Hope you all like it. Thank you for watching.